Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to enable Secure Boot correctly. Secure Boot is required for future PC games like Battlefield 6 and Black Ops 7, etc. Also, few games currently won't launch unless you have Secure Boot enabled in BIOS. It's sad, really. As you can see, the link provides information on how to check if your PC has Secure Boot on or off. Also, it has steps to enable Secure Boot according to your PC or motherboard's manufacturer. The keys that are commonly used to enter BIOS are F2, Delete, F10, or F12. Or you could also enter UEFI BIOS by searching and selecting Advanced Startup option from the Windows search box. Enough with all the theoretical gibberish, let's go do it. Squidoosh. Search for sys and open system information. As you can see here, the Secure Boot is off. Anyway, let's go to BIOS now. First, restart your PC. There are many ways. Then keep pressing any one of the designated keys repeatedly on your keyboard. This PC has Gigabyte motherboard, so I'm pressing Delete key. You should see something like this. Go to the BIOS tab. Scroll down if you have to. As you see, the Secure Boot here is disabled. Also, I cannot select it to change it. Now, to select that option, we have to change the OS type here. Changing to Windows 8 activates the option to enable Secure Boot. You could also disable CSM option as it's for legacy OS like Windows 7. Now we can enable Secure Boot. But hold on, it's not over yet. We need to activate the platform keys in order to activate Secure Boot properly, otherwise it won't work. To do that, change boot mode to Custom. Here we get further options. Scroll down to Key Management. Open it. You should see something like this. Enable key provisioning and install default Secure Boot keys. Click Yes. As you can see, the keys have been installed. Now, don't forget to save the changes before restarting your PC. You could also press F10 to save and exit. Similarly, on newer PCs, just go to the Advanced mode. Select the Boot tab. Click on Secure Boot. OS type is optional, but selecting Windows UEFI is recommended. Then select Key Management. And install default Secure Boot keys. The keys have been installed. Click on Exit. Save changes and reset. That's it. Future games might require TPM 2.0 hardware key, but that's for another video. Now let's check if the system info shows Secure Boot is on. Squidoosh! Alright, as you can see, it's being displayed as on here. Now let's try opening the game. Good, there is no Secure Boot error. The game has launched successfully. Don't forget to share this video to help your miserable friends and family in enabling Secure Boot. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want to watch videos like this in future. It motivates us to make more videos. Thanks, and enjoy gaming.